UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson says he will schedule a Queen's speech to reopen Parliament on October 14th, just 2 weeks before the UK is set to leave the European Union. He says he would need the time to launch new legislation to tackle domestic needs, including security, education, and healthcare. Now, the move has triggered an outrage, with some lawmakers accusing him of planning to reduce the time available for them to stop his plans for leaving the EU or a no-deal Brexit.
That is completely untrue. If you look at what we're doing, we're bringing forward a new legislative programme on crime, on hospitals, making sure that we have the education funding that we need. And there will be ample time on both sides of that crucial October the 17th summit, ample time in Parliament for MPs to debate the EU, to debate Brexit and all the other issues. Ample time.
Now, British political figures from various parts of the spectrum took to social media to react with fury at Johnson's move to temporarily shut down Parliament. Conservative former Finance Minister Philip Hammond called it, quote, profoundly undemocratic. While Nicola Sturgeon, who's Scotland's first minister and leader of the Scottish National Party, said Johnson seems to want to force through a no-deal Brexit.